What's really good, y'all? It's Khadijah A Hall, and I'm back with another one, but a new one. I wanted to come through and discuss just a few of the topics from this past week, and I thought y'all might like that. I'm covering a few segments, trying out some new things, for the channel. So I appreciate y'all being here. Y'all know that. I hope y'all doing well on this beautiful Sunday. Well, actually, it's a rainy Sunday, but hey, we alive. Some of us didn't make it, and I'm grateful to God for all that. I'm sure y'all are too. So, do me a favor and hit that like button and share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate y'all. If you want to donate to the channel, I got my Cash App in the video as usual, or in the bio, my bad. But, let's get it. First up, y'all, we got Celebs, Love, and Relationship News segment. And who we got? We got my girl, CoCo Jones, singer, actress, one of the stars of Bel Air, playing Hillary, which she's doing a damn great job doing. I love that show. Y'all need to check that out. And NBA's Cleveland Cavalier, Donovan Mitchell. They got engaged this past weekend. And CoCo said yes. And I love this. I'm on this black love, this healthy black love train, especially for young people. I love this so much. Y'all, I'm a basketball fan. I have loved the whole demeanor and skill, too, of Donovan Mitchell. He used to be with Utah City Jazz, and he was a freaking fool. That boy, cold-blooded. But now he over there in Cleveland doing his thing. And I'm so happy for them. They're like a really cute couple. I didn't even know they was together 2 years. And guess who hooked it up? I swear, they're going to heaven. Russell and Ciara. I really, really love this. They out here doing the Lord's work. They hooked them up. They also, they didn't hook them up, my bad. They was a part of helping to arrange the proposal. And I love that so much. I mean, damn, bro. I love this. Teyana Taylor and Aaron Pierre. They are next up for love and relationship news. Celebrity love and relationship news. This couple is so cute. They're a good look. They're both super talented. I see something like grown womanish in Teyana, if that makes sense. She looked like she is just like being loved on, and I see the freedom in her. And I love that for her because I know how she spoke about being criticized, being held back, allegedly, by Iman. He didn't want her to work and do certain things, but he wanted her to pay half. And I remember when she tried to keep the divorce quiet in the details, he wanted them released so he can just basically humiliate her. And even now, he's doing little things here and there, wanting her locked up and allegedly for speaking on the fact that the things she got in the divorce were hers, which is ridiculous. Because why are you trying to get your children's mother locked up for something like that? It's really sad. You really bitter, but you could have been a better husband. Okay? Now you mad because somebody that's better than you is with your woman right now. But anyway, Teyana did a sit-down interview with Complex Magazine, and I just love her description of her relationship. She didn't say too much, but she gave a light description, which was beautiful, of how Aaron handles her with care. Here we go.
Aaron Pierre and you stand for both starring in it. Can you kind of talk about how Aaron has been involved in this project and the creative process or inspiration process for you?
He damn near EP'd it. Not literally, but yeah, damn near, it felt good to have someone be as passionate and serious as you are. When you work on something, you have a whole team that's supported, but nobody ever gonna see it the way you see it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get so passionate, they're looking at you like
chill out. Yeah.
Right? But to have a person that's right there like, yup, to have someone on your side fully hear you and don't think that your visions are crazy, don't think that, what you see or what you feel is crazy. And also, I'm really big on how you handle me. And I feel like you got to handle me like a cup of tea. Mm-hmm. How would you walk with a cup of tea versus how you would walk with a bottle of water? You walk with a bottle of water, you're like, you shaking the water, you throwing it up and down, you did it up. But a cup of tea, you walk slower, you're more calm, you're more delicate. And even when you sip it, what happens if you sip the tea too fast? You're going to burn yourself. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, I am a cup of tea. And I feel like he handles me as such, he's very, very gentle. It allows me to feel warm and to feel safe. And not
Aaron Pierre.
I must thank God. Thank you for being present and walking with me as I do my best to navigate this journey and experience. Thank you for any and all blessings you have gifted me with. Yes, even the ones that in the moment I didn't identify as such. The moments when my bank balance was below zero. The moments when I had to sell my belongings for a little cash. The moments when I felt somewhat delusional and questioned whether it was accurate to describe my occupation as that of an actor because I was unemployed and the phone was radio silent. You reminded me in those moments of James 1:3-4. This reads, "For you know that when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. So let it grow. For when your endurance is fully developed, you will be perfect and complete, needing nothing." Thank you, ABFF, for this recognition, this loving embrace. To be seen and appreciated are treasures, none of which are lost on me.
Aaron Pierre is a great dude. But next up, we got the segment that I call You Got Me Effed Up. And in this segment, there's a sister who is having her vehicle illegally towed by two guys trying to run game on her. Just listen to some of the things they say after they jump out of the vehicle. Just listen. And then let me know. Aaron Pierre is a great dude.
Lady. Dang. Oh, dang, she done sit on the motherfucker. He done work. What work at? He left the trick didn't work, man. Oh my God. She fast, man. I used to be fast while I got shot in my leg.
So here's what we gonna do. I'm gonna call the police. You gonna figure this shit out right here, right now?
We don't want no police for her. We don't want no police for her, please.
Oh, what? I want to
Because they don't arrest you. They probably gonna arrest you. I'm about to let it down, man. Okay, I'm about to let it down.
I'm gonna watch you.
No, you right here. Put it over there. Yeah, right there. I don't want you to get hurt. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go all the way down. No, grab me. Come on, just grab me. And you grab me. I ain't gonna come on the side. When you let it down, the machine gonna make crazy legs. Put your leg, girl. I don't want that. So, please. It's dirty up here, man.
I can wash it.
Girl, you see me and these people waiting. We can't. You gotta go home. You gotta go home, man. You can't sit right on there like that. Oh yeah, let me start right there. I'm not listening. Check out. Oh, let it down.
Yeah, and I'm watching.
Let's go away from this metal thing right here. Come on this side.
I look good.
Here, grab my shirt, man. Grab my shirt. You grab me part of it. I don't care.
I'll grab it and take it back to the parking spot.
I can't take it back to the parking spot with you on a shirt like that. And look, you gotta go to work. You gotta go to work. Right, look, you got a good workout in.
Go.
You ready to go get out in the shower and chill.
You trouble with her?
You fast too though. I want to let you know that. You want to try?
No, I didn't.
Well, I don't know. What you just
It's trying to jump on here.
Wow. Man, listen, I was about to speed up. She was moving so fast. I'm like, what the? All right, listen, buddy. I think you gotta go. Can you just move out if I can watch your hand? I'm sorry. We just gonna move this part out. Yeah, please. We don't want that to hurt you in no type of way. No type of way.
You have my word that I will not steal. I don't care. But you ain't taking my car. I fell for one trick, I ain't falling for another. Now take my car back to the spot.
Yeah, I guess you about to drop it down. Wait, let me see.
Yep, I'm gonna watch.
See, look at these two tow truck clowns trying to play tow truck games, trying to get her to get off the truck so they can pull off, talking about they don't want her to call the police. And y'all can miss me with that. Why you want to call the police on a black man? Why y'all trying to play this black woman out of hundreds of dollars and take her car illegally? F all that. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. Don't give me a reason to have to involve the law by trying to play me like that. Take my damn car and my goddamn money. Go to hell, bro, with all that. You can save them stupid sentiments. Don't do stupid stuff like that. But they was trying to get her to get off that damn car so they can just pull off. Talk about, don't you gotta go to work, all them stupid excuses. So for the people who was trying to pretend like she didn't pay her bill and all this different stuff, y'all can save all that, because they wouldn't have had to come up with all these different excuses. Oh man, we holding these people up and all that. Shut the hell up with all that. Because as soon as they got out that truck, dude gonna say, it didn't work, bro, the trick didn't work. Yeah, y'all was trying to trick her, trying to play that so she can freaking get it towed like y'all do people all the time, illegally towing people's vehicles that was in legal spots, and then saying, oh, this was in an illegal spot or whatever, and you got your money, and now they gotta be out of like $300-400. Nah, not today, nigga.
Like it, share it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.